What's up guys, Mark here from VIP Shop Management. AI is here and AI will build your estimate. All you have to do is tell it what you want to build and it will build it. It is based on VIN number and it is based on year, make, model, engine size if the VIN number is not available. I just came up with this idea yesterday. I understand AI is everywhere, but in our industry, I believe VIP Shop Management will be the first to introduce AI in building estimate and invoices. So let's check it out right here. We're gonna do some tests right here. I like using Tesla because we don't have much information on Tesla, so I'm gonna clear this. Before I start, everything that you're gonna see on the screen is built by AI. It has nothing to do with VIP Shop Management. Obviously, as a service writer, it's your job to make sure that this is correct in the end. As a mechanic and a former shop owner, it's pretty close. I don't know where AI is getting information. We use ChatGPT, obviously. So let's check it out here. Build an estimate for high voltage battery and the auxiliary battery. And make sure you add the coolant. I never worked on that, so let's see if it adds. There's some coolant related to the battery. There we go. It added everything for you, $18,000. Let's look right here. If you look right here, 10 hours for battery replacement is about right. 16,000 is about right. The 12-volt auxiliary battery and the battery coolant. So it's not stupid. I continue to say it's not stupid. Let's give it another test. Build an estimate for front struts in the left lower control arm. The front left lower control arm. Again, it's not based on what you say. It will understand just like ChatGPT understand you. So let's check it out right here. Lower left lower control arm, added it. The struts, added it. It's genius. And added the mount too. All right, let's check it out in a different car, like something we understand. Fusion, for example. So I'm gonna do this time. I'm gonna do a heater core and a AC compressor. Two things opposite of each other. One inside the car, one outside the car. Let's check it out. Build an estimate for a heater core and for an AC compressor. And make sure you add charging the AC too. All right, here we go. Heater core, AC compressor, AC recharge. I don't know what to say. Like, this is insane. I just came up with this. This is by the way, it's already published. You can click on help and check for update to test it out. I don't know what to say. I think this is genius. I think this is the future, and it's happening as you are watching it right now. Let's do another example, and you can test it on your own. Build an estimate for an oil change, tire rotation, and alignment. You know what? Let's do tune-up too. I don't know what to say. I told you it's not stupid. And what I mean by that, this is a 4-cylinder car. How many spark plugs are there? It's 4. So it knows. This is AI. Welcome to AI with VIP Shop Management. Thanks for watching.